You could have all the testosterone in the world, but if it's not latching onto those precious androgen receptors, it's basically useless, centering a cell seeking out an androgen receptor. Together, this unstoppable duo journeys to the heart of the cell, and boom! They transform those genes, gifting you with strength, a beard worthy of the gods, booming voice. Cortisol messes with your body's ability to use testosterone properly. See, both cortisol and testosterone are made from cholesterol, so more cortisol means less of the good stuff for building testosterone. It gets worse. Cortisol also blocks testosterone from doing its job, and it cranks up a nasty enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. You can manage your cortisol levels. Seek the power of magnesium to soothe your nerves. Turn away from the constant noise of the news. They induce stress and worries. Avoid endless scrolls of social media, especially those filled with negativity. Instead, let the melodies of calming music wash over you like the gentle waves. Keep the stress chill whenever possible. Intense workouts and tough situations are fine, but the rest of the time, aim for relaxed vibes to keep those testosterone levels healthy.